Mubarak, you didn't tell me last night how many trout did you catch?
I didn't catch any, sir.
He just took you as witness?
I had no luck at all.
Did you try your hand anyway?
Yes, I did.
You did? He didn't tell you the secrets of the game?
I did.
He did?
But I wasn't really
You got the bite?
No, I didn't have a bite.
Were you doing it with float?
I was doing
With float. What type of float that was?
it's in bubble, actually.
It was light or heavy or long or lightweight? Very light. And was it a windy day?
Early in the day it was.
Yes.
Later on
It improved. Because, this is very important. The choice of float is highly essential for good fishing. And from time to time, from weather to weather, from the various types of water, the answer would be different. The experts who go to matches, fishing matches, they sometimes take hundreds of floats with them. At least if that is an exaggeration, more than 100 I know positively. Ivan, for instance, one of the best renowned fishermen in England, who has won many international matches, he takes more than 100 floats with him, and he knows which float is for the right wind, for the right season, for the right type of fish, for the right type of depth of water, for the right type of flow. So permutation combination creates so many possibilities that you have to be a top expert on the choice of floats. So that float was imposed upon you. You see?
There's so many new techniques.
And the beginners are advised only to at least to have a few. Some for absolutely calm waters, rippleless, with not much depth. Because the greater the depth, the heavier should be the float. Heavier means that the larger the capacity should be of the float. So they advise a few covering both extremes and one in the middle.
I wasn't very good actually yesterday. That's
Because the fish comes and has the bite very cleverly. And if you don't know, then sometimes it sucks the worm and goes away, and the novice doesn't know what has happened. That's the reason perhaps. And what was the reaction of Safi? Was he enjoying thoroughly your being without a fish? Yesterday he doubly enjoyed that fishing. So next time you go, you better first read a book or two on this subject.
I have been doing a lot of fishing before, but I
You have been doing a lot of reading?
no, fishing.
Fishing, yes.
I did long time ago.
Fishing in troubled waters?
Sea fishing.
Yes. Sea fishing. That is completely different. That is not float fishing. This float fishing is a great art. They sometimes, they're allotted about 3 hours in the international matches. And some experts catch more than 200 fish in that allotted time. And the waters are generally difficult where the matches are held. Where for the whole day an ordinary person cannot catch a single fish, there their stock runs into hundreds. Fantastic how they do it. So you will learn by the way, by and by. Now you have come at last. Please, what would you like to ask? Yes, of course you. We were whiling our time away in waiting for you.
Assalamu alaikum.